Well, in this video I'm gonna be talking about how to remove a stock wheel spacer, a really stock one, without having the right tools. Well, the best thing is to use the right tools or to take the car to a car mechanic so they can do it professionally. But if you cannot, and if you want to do it at home, so the first thing you need to think about is that when this exposes to heat and cold the whole time, this spacer here will stick to the hub of the disc, or like the brake disc. So to remove it, you have to make this one expand a little bit. And you can start by using some penetrating oil like WD-40. You can spray here and rotate the disc and spray all around. And the same thing here, if you look there, you can see the line between the spacer and the brake disc. So you can spray there, and the same thing you can rotate and give some sprays here, and wait a little bit, let it take its time. So like 5 to 10 minutes maybe. And then you can clean the penetrating oil on the outside, because you will need to apply some heat to this place here. Then you can use something like this, a gas or something like that, and you can heat or apply heat on this place, not on the inside. Maybe some on the inside, but try not to make the disc take the heat. Try to make only the spacer take the heat, so it will expand, but not the brake disc. And after you do that, when it's still warm, you can put your wheel back without the nuts that are holding the spacer. So you put your wheel back and you put some like 2 or the whole 4 bolts, and then you can heat the tire from the inside, but not directly on the tire. You can use a rubber hammer or a wood like this, and without screws. So yeah, you can put it on the tire from the inside and hit on the wood, and you will hit, like you will feel when you need to like stop giving more power. So you hit it and you rotate the tire, you rotate the tire, and you will feel that the tire will not be straight, so you know that this is going outside. And this is maybe the easiest way to do it at home. Otherwise, you can do it at a workshop or somewhere. So